Hello everyone, this is Arunima from Knit and Knotter, and in this video I'm going to show you the two stitches that you need to know to work on Tunisian mosaic projects, and I'll also show you how to change color at the beginning of a forward pass. So those are the three things that you need to know and before you start working on a Tunisian mosaic project, and we'll go over all three of them here. So let's start with Tunisian simple stitches. The For any row, this loop on the hook, it counts as the first stitch of the row. We're not going to do anything with that. And I'm going to now find the vertical bar of the next stitch from the previous row. So this is the front vertical bar, and I'm going to pick that up with my hook, yarn over, and pull through. So that makes a Tunisian simple stitch. I'm going to do it again for the next stitch here. This is the vertical bar of the next stitch, and I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, and pull through. So that is how we make simple stitches. I'm going to make a few more and show you. So I could keep going and make simple stitches across the rows. This is actually a swatch of simple stitches. So this is how simple stitches look. Now I'm going to show you how to make a front post extended simple stitch. So we're going to make an extended simple stitch in the front post. So how we're going to do that is we're going to go 2 rows down. So because extended stitches are taller, we don't make them in the row before. So we go 2 rows down. And in this case, it's the same color as the color that you're working with. So in a mosaic project, you will always end up making your front post extended simple stitches in the same color as the current working color. So what you have to do is you have to find the two vertical bars. So here, every stitch is made up of two vertical bars, every Tunisian simple stitch. So here, there's the front vertical bar that we've been making our simple stitches in. So this one was the front vertical bar for this one, and this is the front vertical bar for this stitch. And there is a back vertical bar. So if you go here, we just push this a little further with your finger. Um, you can see that there is this back vertical bar right here. So we're going to pick up the back and the front vertical bars together to make our extended simple stitch. So we pick the back vertical bar, the front vertical bar, yarn over, pull through, and then chain one. So that makes a front post extended simple stitch. I'm going to make a few more simple stitches. And then I'm now going to make another front post extended simple stitch. So you push this forward, you can see the two vertical bars. There's this back vertical bar and there's this front vertical bar. Yarn over, pull through, and then chain one to extend it. So that's how front post extended simple stitches look. I'm going to complete this row with simple stitches. Then return pass is chain one, yarn over, pull through two, all the way to the beginning of this row. And I'm going to stop here where there are two loops on the hook. This is where we change color for the next row, for the beginning of the next row. So we move the yarn to this side and pick up this one and yarn over, pull through to complete that return pass. So that's how you change color at the beginning of the forward pass. For the previous row, you just stop at when you have two loops on the hook. Do not complete that with the same color. Just use the second color to complete the row. So I'm going to make another row and show you how to change color again. So just a row of simple stitches. And here I stop when I have two loops on the hook. And what I do is I move my yarn to the side, pick up the other yarn, and yarn over, pull through. So the reason I move the yarn to that side is so that I can interlock the yarn that's carried in the back. You can see here, these are nicely interlocked. So you won't have to do anything at the end to take care of these. Uh, and they'll be nice and neat in the back. So that's all you need to know in terms of the stitches. So there's two stitches, simple stitches, and front post extended simple stitches. That's how they look. And you need to know how to change color at the beginning of a forward pass. So I have a I have a course that I offer where you can learn how to do Tunisian mosaic crochet in detail. If you're a beginner at Tunisian crochet or if you're a beginner at Tunisian mosaic crochet, you can start from the beginning and you can learn how to make Tunisian crochet projects. I also go over how to read charts and written patterns, how to make build projects out of those. So I'm going to leave you a link in the description below if you'd like to take a look. But this is pretty much all you need to know in terms of stitches and the technique, the one technique about changing color. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching.